They want you to get results here before you leave. You can do pediatrics at other facilities. Kids show up at other hospitals, but here you can really tell it's the heart and soul of the hospital.
I was honestly nervous when I first got accepted to Children's because, children are scary, young and weak, and it was nerve-wracking.
Go ahead and prep when you're ready.
The patients really are the best part. I've brought my daughter here to be on the backside of it as a parent of a patient. I really can see that the people that work here really are tailored to care for children.
I just like to see kind of the impact that we have on these children's lives. I know going into a hospital can kind of be scary or daunting, and it's kind of my job or my role to make it a fun and enjoyable experience.
It's such a joy to know that we were a meaningful part of that process with healing, taking quality images that helped that process to get them better. You keep pulling still, you're doing great.
One thing that I really loved about Children's is they really take the time to kind of slow down. They don't just throw you into the workflow. Like coming into it, I didn't know specific pediatric exams that I do now. They did a great job at taking the time to make sure that I was comfortable before I was out on my own and to be confident in the work I was doing.
I've already noticed some increases in development, whether it's the knowledge that I've gained from this job or kind of where I can still go. I feel like opportunities here are kind of endless.
Technology is always changing and always improving. I can say that Children's does a great job of keeping current on the newest technologies. I'm proud to say that we have one machine that is only available here at Children's within the entire state of Nebraska.
It's going to keep sliding up behind you.
Pediatrics can be really intimidating, but really everyone's been a kid at one point in their life. Kids are so fun.
Going from the adult world to here, I actually don't know if I would go back to the adult world. I think it's the environment where I'm here to have fun, here to make the kids laugh and smile.
I just love the patients and families. I'm confident in my job and my coworkers and my staff and everyone around. It's so fulfilling.